What's up? Today we're going to be playing Boom Beach again. I'm so tired. Let's collect all this stuff. Alright. I wanna see the attack. Wait. Do you see the attack? Nope. 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 Definitely nope. And nope. I don't know. It's currently raining like hell. That is another machine gun. We have our cannon. Our cannon. I was about to say boom cannon. Where's the boom cannon? Oh my god, Hector is level 12? I'm like halfway there. Launcher. Rocket launcher. I'm only halfway there. Experience level 14. Well, the only way to get that is by battling. We will battle Double Slugger after scouting him. Let's attack him. We are going to need to take out one of those boom cannons. Oh, not. Why do I keep saying boom cannons, guys? I hate just me saying boom cannons. Because they're not flipping boom cannons. Oh. Saying, wake up, you need to make money. Boom. Boom. Trick turn back time. The good old days. Yeah. Oh, we have one enshracked Double Slugger. I'm sorry I haven't actually done online attacks for you guys yet, but you know, no biggie. That's how much stuff I have. I'm so close to getting a Guardian. I need a Guardian. Ooh, email. What was that? Clash of Clans. If you guys would like me to do Clash of Clans, that's fine. You just put a comment down below. And also leave a like. That is heavy rain. Oh my god. Guys, this is why you stay indoors at every moment of your life. Because you can die from rain. Okay, I played rugby. Oh my god, I was shivering so freaking bad. I could not move. It was so cold, we had to play in the rain. That wasn't heavy like our rugby league. Our rugby league, oh my god. It was that heavy. Half of the people in our team couldn't even move. Oh my god. It was my team versus my team today. Won. Yeah. So technically, it was one of the Assisi Catholic College teams versus one of the Assisi Catholic College teams. I go to Assisi Catholic College. That cannon. Yes, okay. And heal. Heal up my heavy of life. You have the fragment of life. Boom! Did you get the fragment of life? No, you idiot! You did not get the fragment of life, guys. We need the freaking fragment of life. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. What do they do anyway? Power up your troops. Oh, I see. Alright, guys. I'm doing an online. I want to upgrade my radar. So then we can get more people. Okay, find new opponent. We are finding... Okay, let's scout this guy. Let's scout this big bull. Oh, this is easy. Okay, now we're not stuffed. Let's go. Because we are not stuffed, because there is no... Oh my god, this guy's stuffed though. He's gonna get shreked. He's only 9 towers left. Base is rushed. Do not follow this base. If you see this base, never follow it. It is the worst base ever. Okay. Bang, 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 boom. Okay. There we go. And just feel like that. Yes. Yes. Boom. There is... Oh yes, we got another life fragment. No, 2 other life fragments. Oh, only 2 more life fragments. Wait, 2 more life ooh, yes. 2 more life fragments, and then we can... And then we can get another idol. Oh my god, this guy's online, he sucks. Why would he want to be online? He sucks balls. He's the worst person I've ever seen. We cannot attack anymore. Oh my god. That rain is heavy. We can't attack. What else am I meant to do? Make another YouTube video? That's correct. Definitely won't be on Boom Beach because I just did one. Another one on Boom Beach. I am a rushed headquarters. Yay! I'm a rusher. 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 Ooh, yeah, you want my thing? I'll give you my thing, and it won't look good. I want to put all my defenses here, because I cannot lose by freaking people that aren't people. People that don't really actually live existing. So we are going to edit this base to be most defensive as possible. And what? There we go. Oh, okay. Okay. Idle. What? No, that's got 9%. Oh. My wood storage is full. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you subscribe, leave a like down below, and tell me what you'd like me to do next time in the comment section down below. And subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Fluffy Turtle Man, also known as Zach Below, out. Oh, sorry.